Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a name steeped in history, a design that captures hearts, and a modern reinterpretation that bridges the golden age of automotive style with 21st century performance and technology. If you're a fan of classic lines, electric power, or just great cars, you're going to love this one. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Karmann Ghia, you can see why this car has people buzzing. The silhouette instantly evokes memories of the 1950s and 60s, those long, flowing curves, the rounded fenders, the low-slung roofline. But look closer, and every surface feels crisp and modern, like a sculpture that's been polished with purpose. Aerodynamic face with slim LED headlights and a minimalist, almost grille-less design that tells you this is a new era electric power under the skin, classic charm on the outside. These design cues aren't just stylistic. They help with airflow and efficiency too. Volkswagen balances retro elements with modern detailing. While the rear sports a full-width LED light bar that gives it a high-tech glow, the body has a taut muscular stance, enhanced by larger alloy wheels that fill the arches just right. Not too large. Doesn't hide either. Step around to the cabin, and the transformation continues. Inside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia blends minimalist luxury with cutting-edge tech in a way that feels natural, not forced. The dashboard is clean, uncluttered, and driver-focused, with premium materials that feel first-class to the touch. Soft-touch vegan leather on the seats and door panels, brushed aluminum trim, and ambient lighting that gives the cabin warmth and character without overdoing it. Volkswagen has struck a delicate balance here, paying homage to the original simplicity while making sure modern expectations for comfort and tech are fully met. Right in front of you is a fully digital instrument cluster that replaces old analog gauges, offering crisp, clear information that's easy to read at a glance. It's paired with a large, centrally mounted touchscreen that handles infotainment, navigation, climate control, and more. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard, so your phone integrates seamlessly with the car's systems. There's even a head-up display on some trims, so your speed, directions, and safety alerts are projected right into your line of sight. Comfort is a big focus too. The seats are supportive and plush, with multiple adjustments and heating options that make both city drives and longer highway trips enjoyable. Dual-zone climate control keeps everyone comfortable, and thoughtful touches like a panoramic glass roof and premium sound system elevate the whole experience. It's a cabin that feels more at home in a luxury coupe than in what could have just been a retro-themed novelty. Now, let's talk about what's under that beautifully sculpted hood. MEB electric platform, the same foundation that supports several of VW's latest EVs. This gives it a low center of gravity, excellent weight distribution, and that distinctive electric vehicle silence that makes driving feel smooth and composed. A rear-wheel drive electric motor producing around 250 horsepower, plenty for relaxed cruising and daily commuting. Step up to the dual-motor all-wheel drive setup and you're looking at roughly 350 horsepower, which will get you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds. What does that feel like behind the wheel? Immediately responsive, electric. The steering is precise, the suspension well-tuned, and thanks to that low-mounted battery pack, you get confident cornering and composed handling that belie its classic styling. This isn't just a pretty car, it's fun to drive. Range dash-wise, depending on conditions and driving style. That makes the Karmann Ghia practical for daily use, weekend trips, and everything in between. And charging is easy. 2DC fast charging can bring the battery up to about 80% in roughly 30 minutes, so even long journeys won't feel like a chore. Safety and technology go hand in hand. Here as well, adaptive cruise control keeps you at a comfortable distance from traffic ahead. Lane keeping assist helps you stay centered on the road, and blind spot monitoring adds an extra layer of awareness when changing lanes. And a complete array of airbags round out a suite of features designed to protect you and your passengers. And with a 360-degree camera system available on higher trims, tight parking and urban driving become a lot less stressful. Now let's talk numbers, the part most of you are curious about. Pricing is expected to start at around $40,000 to $45,000 USD for the entry-level rear-wheel drive model. If you opt for the more powerful all-wheel drive variant with additional tech and comfort enhancements, you could be looking at around $55,000 or more depending on where you live and what options you choose. With on-road prices varying based on taxes and registration fees, for that money, you're not just getting a car, you're getting a piece of automotive It's stylish, it's fun to drive, and it's packed with technology that makes daily life easier and safer. Some critics might point out that rear seat space is a bit limited, understandable, given the coupe's compact design, and that the price tag edges into premium territory for some buyers. But if you value design and driving experience, the Karmann Ghia delivers more than its price might suggest. In closing, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a revival, it's a statement. It shows that Volkswagen is serious about blending heritage and innovation, giving enthusiasts something that feels both timeless and forward-looking. Whether you're a classic car lover, an AV enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates great design and performance, this coupe stands out in a world of lookalike crossovers and SUVs. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia,